8 workflows. Explore Codebases, squash bugs, ship PRs in seconds, automate with pipes, manage context like a pro. This is how power users actually work with Claude Code. You just joined a new team, 50,000 lines of code. You don't know where anything is. The architecture docs are 6 months stale. Your onboarding buddy is on vacation. But what if you could understand any code base in 5 minutes? Not by reading docs, not by asking teammates, by having a conversation. Here are 8 workflows that change everything. Workflow 1. Exploring code bases. Start broad, then go deep. Ask Claude for an overview. It reads your files, maps the structure, and gives you the big picture in seconds. Not a file listing, actual architectural understanding. Then go deeper. Ask about the main patterns, how the components connect, where the business logic lives. And when you need specifics, trace the execution flow. Say, trace the login process from front end to database. Claude follows the code path across files, through middleware, into the data layer, and explains every step. What used to take weeks of onboarding now takes a single conversation. Workflow 2. Fixing bugs. Share the error. Get the fix. Paste your error message directly into Claude. The stack trace, the failing test output, whatever you've got. Claude reads the error, finds the source files, identifies the root cause, and suggests the fix. But here's the real power. Tell Claude to apply the fix and verify it. One prompt. Fix this and run the tests. It edits the code, runs your test suite, and confirms everything passes. Hours of debugging compressed into one conversation. Workflow 3. Refactoring and testing. Modernize code safely. Touch. Tell Claude to find deprecated patterns in your codebase. It scans every file, flags outdated APIs, and suggests modern replacements. Then ask it to apply the changes incrementally with tests at each step. For testing, Claude reads your existing test files to learn the style, the frameworks you use, the assertion patterns. Then it generates new tests that match, not generic boilerplate, but tests that look like your team wrote them. 14 tests pass, 0 regressions, code modernized. Workflow 4. Plan mode. The safety net you didn't know you needed. Press Shift+Tab twice to enter plan mode. Now Claude explores your codebase in read-only mode. It reads files, analyzes patterns, but touches nothing. The workflow is simple. Explore first, build a plan. Then switch back to normal mode and implement. Press Ctrl+G to edit the plan in your text editor before Claude starts coding. Use this for multi-file changes, unfamiliar codebases, or any refactor where getting the approach wrong costs hours. Workflow 5. Pull requests. One command, done, Todoist. Type /commit push PR. Claude reviews your changes, writes the commit message, pushes to remote, and opens the PR with a proper description. 30 seconds, start to finish. Later, resume that exact conversation with from PR and the PR number. The full context is restored. Every file Claude read. Every decision it made. Workflow 6. Subagents. This is the hidden superpower. Here's the problem. Claude's context window fills up fast. Every file it reads, every command output. It all accumulates. Performance degrades as context grows. The solution: delegate research to subagents. Say, use subagents to investigate the authentication system. The subagent explores in its own context window, reads dozens of files, and returns a clean summary. Your main conversation stays lean. Take it further with the writer-reviewer pattern. One session implements the feature. A second session reviews it with fresh context, 2 perspectives, better code. Workflow 7. Pipes and automation. Claude as a Unix tool. No, pipe data in, get results out. Cat your build errors into Claude. Ask for a fix. Pipe the output to a file. One line. No interactive session needed. Use this in CI. Add Claude as a code reviewer in your build pipeline. Structured output with output format JSON for parsing. Or go bigger. Loop Claude across 2000 files for a migration. Fan out, run in parallel, restrict tools with allowed tools. Workflow 8. Session mastery. Never lose context again. 3 commands. Continue resumes your latest conversation. Resume lets you pick from any previous session. /rename gives sessions names you can find later. And here's the single most important habit. /clear between unrelated tasks. Long sessions with irrelevant context degrade Claude's performance. A fresh start with a better prompt always outperforms a cluttered session. 8 workflows. 1 tool. Start with the one that saves you the most time. Full documentation is linked below. If you watched our first video on how Claude Code works, this is your next step. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.